Welcome to Sharad V. More English School online lecture. Good evening, student. Yesterday I have started the question number 4. In that the two roots are given as 2 minus under root 5 and second root is 2 plus under root 5. Here we have to form the quadratic equation. Now first part was completed, that is alpha plus beta value is equals to 4. Now we have to find out the alpha into beta value, means product of alpha and beta. Now the alpha value is taken as 2 minus under root 5 and beta value is taken as 2 plus under root 5. Now when you observe carefully, you will find that the two brackets are present in the form of identity a plus b, a minus b, and a plus b into a minus b is equals to a square minus b square. So therefore the square of 2, because at place of the a there is 2 and at place of the b there is 5 under root 5. So minus under root 5 its square. Square of 2 is 4 and square of under root 5 is 5. 4 minus 5 is equals to minus 1. 4 minus 5 is equals to minus 1. Now the required quadratic equation is ax square plus bx is x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha into beta is equals to 0. Now we will substitute the alpha plus beta value and alpha into beta value in the given quadratic equation. So therefore x square minus alpha plus beta value is 4 into x plus alpha into beta value is minus 1 is equals to 0. So therefore x square minus 4x minus 1 is equals to 0. X square minus 4x minus 1 is equals to 0. Now see the next question number 5. Question number 5 is the sum of the roots of quadratic equation is double their product. Find the k if the equation is x square minus 4kx plus k plus 3 is equals to 0. Okay, now see the questions. Sum of the roots of quadratic equation is double their product. Sum of the roots means alpha plus beta value is double of the product. उसके प्रोडक्ट से क्या है, डबल है. फाइंड द के फाइंड आउट करना है. इफ इक्वेशन इज x square minus 4kx plus k plus 3 is equals to 0. Solution. X square minus 4kx plus k plus 3 is equals to 0. This is the given equation. ये given equation है. x square minus 4kx plus k plus 3 is equals to 0. Now comparing the given equation with ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. So therefore a is equals to 1, b is equals to minus 4k. Now see the variable is x here. इसमें वेरिएबल क्या है x है. नाउ बिफोर x देयर इज माइनस 4k, तो b वैल्यू इज माइनस 4k and c is equals to at place of the c k plus 3 is present, k plus 3 present है. और what we have to find out here, the value of k की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करनी है. नाउ सी let alpha and beta are the roots of quadratic equation. So therefore alpha plus beta is equals to what is given? It is given that the sum of the roots is equals to twice of the product of the roots. This is given. Sum of the root is twice of the product of the roots. This is given in the question. So this is equals to 2 alpha into beta. This is given over here. यहाँ पे ये क्या है? Given. Now we know that sum of the roots is equals to minus b upon a. Sum of the roots क्या होता है? minus b upon a. So therefore minus, now what is the b value? minus 4k upon a value is equals to 1. So this becomes minus into minus will become plus 4k upon 1 is equals to 4k. So alpha plus beta value is equals to 4k. Now we also know that alpha into beta is equals to c upon a. अल्फा इंटू बीटा की वैल्यू क्या होती है? c अपॉन a. नाउ c value is equals to k plus 3 upon a value is equals to 1. Okay? So therefore alpha into beta is equals to k plus 3 because the denominator is 1. डिनोमिनेटर यहाँ पे क्या है? 1 है. That's why the alpha into beta value will be k plus 3. ये क्या हो गया, k plus 3 हो गया. Now substitute the value of alpha plus beta and alpha into beta in equation number 1. Substituting the values of alpha plus beta and alpha into beta in equation 1. इक्वेशन 1 में सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे. नाउ इक्वेशन 1 इज अल्फा प्लस बीटा इज इक्वल्स टू 2 अल्फा इंटू बीटा. तो देयरफॉर now alpha plus beta value is equals to 4k and 2 into alpha plus beta value is equals to k plus 3. Now bring the 2 on the left hand side. So 4k upon 2 is equals to k plus 3. K plus 3. So this is equals to 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4. 2k is equals to k plus 3. Now bring the k on the left hand side. So 2k minus k is equals to 3. So therefore 2k minus k is equals to k. K is equals to 3. So the value of k is equals to 3. Okay, understood? Now write down the answer. The value of k is 3. Full stop. Okay, student. Now see the next question. Alpha and beta are the root of the y square minus 2y minus 7 is equals to 0. Find the square of sum of the square of alpha and beta and find out the sum of the cubes of alpha and beta. Okay, यहाँ पे क्या निकालना हम लोगों को, sum of the roots of alpha plus beta and sum of the cubes of alpha and beta. ये हम लोगों को यहाँ पे find out करना है. Okay, now let's see the क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. स्टार मार्क क्वेश्चन है, हायर ऑर्डर थिंकिंग स्किल वाला क्वेश्चन से. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. अल्फा एंड बीटा आर द रूट्स ऑफ y square minus 2y minus 7 is equals to 0. Find okay, alpha and beta are the root of what? Y square minus 2y minus 7 is equals to 0. Find first one, sum of the square of alpha and beta, or you can say sum of the squares of the alpha or roots. You can say the sum of the squares of the roots. And second, sum of the cubes of the root, that is alpha cube plus beta cube. Okay, now let's see the solution. Y square minus 2y minus 7 is equals to 0. Now compare this equation with the standard equation. Comparing the given equation with ay square plus by plus c is equals to 0. So therefore a is equals to 1, b is equals to minus 2 and c is equals to minus 7. It's clear now. A value is 1, b value is minus 2 and c value is equals to minus 7. Now we know the relation that sum of the roots is equals to minus b upon a. Now here the b value is minus 2, so this minus and this minus 2 will become plus 2. So plus 2 upon 1 is equals to 2. So here we got alpha plus beta value as 2. Now alpha into beta. The value of alpha into beta is equals to c upon a. Now c value is minus 7 upon 1. So minus 7 upon 1 is equals to minus 7. So alpha into beta value is equals to minus 7. Now we will use the identity to find out the alpha square